Hello guys, welcome back another video. So guys, in today's video I am going to review the most stablest ROM for our Redmi Note 4, which is based on Android 11, which is also called as R. And this is amazing ROM guys. You will get here pre-installed Google camera, and here everything works, portrait mode, everything, and there is no any issue regarding this. So you will find everything working here. Even you can try connect your device through your PC laptop without any issues, and this is not pre-rooted, so you can use your Magisk Manager to root this, and you can also use banking apps by hiding Magisk Manager. There is no any issue at all. And I have also already tested this ROM from past 6 hours. So I have faced only one bug, which is video call camera to API is enabled by default in this ROM. That's why your video call doesn't work. And here, as you can see, this is our logo, so this SIM card is not from this state. That's why you people are seeing that logo. R means roaming. So leave that topic, just we will explain you about the features of this ROM. So you will find pre-installed Google Play Store etc. here, so you need not to install from Play Store, or you need not to flash any G apps here, and you will receive here latest security patch update. And this is the official ROM guys, so you won't face any problem or any issue. As you can see, this is my Redmi Note 4, and there is no any issue regarding this ROM. So here everything works fine here guys, there is no any issue regarding this. So this is official ROM guys, you won't find any issues or any bugs here. Only one bug which I have faced is video calling. It will work, but you have to disable camera to API, and you won't be able to use your Google camera, which is pre-installed here. So let me show you, this is the pre-installed Google camera app, and here everything works, there is no any issue at all. My device fell in water, that's why my camera doesn't work, so don't go it with. So I will tell you what are the amazing feature of this ROM. So here everything you will find guys, read mode, everything, every stuff works here, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, video calling. And here you will find a pre-installed Dirac sound system, which will enhance your audio experience like Dolby Atmos, location, gyroscope, everything works here. And dark theme also works here, reading mode also works. You will find a lot of features in this ROM, and this is most stablest ROM guys. So I am using this ROM as my personal, so it is good ROM I think so. So let me use this ROM for some days more, so that I will see what is there in this ROM perfectly. So this may good ROM till now as per the Android version and base, because this is official ROM, so we can trust we will receive in future more updates of this ROM. There is no any issue regarding Wi-Fi hotspot, I have already said you. And here you will find already screen recorder, Xiaomi parts, and you will find here Xiaomi earphones. If you listens to music, then you will find the earphone type like here. Let me show you, here you will find a lot of earphones. Like you will also find these things in MI devices, but in my case I have found this in other ROM. So this is not official, so in unofficial ROM also they have provided this good feature. And here you will find the FPS info here, as you can see how many frames are there now in your display. So this may helpful for PUBG players, so that you will be able to know real-time frame drops. And here ambient display etc, everything works here. And here you will see guys yellow flashlight, so from here you can enable disable yellow flashlight. So here as you can see, my both flashlights are working, so you can disable that yellow flashlight from here. So as you can see, only white one works here. Background, in my background as you can see, so here only you will see white one. So if you enable this yellow one, then you will find yellow flash in background. So as you can see, so once again I may need to turn it on and turn it off. So as you can see here, you will find the yellowness of the flashlight. So you can also disable it by decreasing the value of this yellow one. So I don't recommend you to use the LED flashlight guys, these are harmful for our body. So you can enable this USB fast charge. If you connect your device through PC, then your device will be charged. In some cases your device won't get charged, because you use your device in PC for transferring data etc. So you can enable that option, and you will find here amazing battery backup. As you can see, it said more than 2 days left, but it will give you around 1 day 24 hours. If you are hardcore gamer, then it will give you around 6 hours. Then after, your battery will below 20% and your game lags a lot. Like if you play PUBG Mobile, then your game will lag extremely. Here you will find all miscellaneous setting. You can customize your status bar settings, etc. And here your Bluetooth also works. You can use it for calling purposes, etc. And I will provide this ROM link in description below, guys, so you can use this ROM for flash from there. You have to wipe Dalvik data system internal is your choice, guys. So after wiping those things, you can install directly this ROM size is around 1.5 GB, and download link is given in description below. Bug is only have faced one, which is camera to API enabled, and video call doesn't work. So if you want to use video call, then you have to disable camera to API, and you have to install any third-party camera app from Play Store. Video recording, everything works here. There is no any issue at all. Wi-Fi hotspot also working, and everything works here. You can use Play Store, etc. here. And this is not pre rooted, again I am telling, so that you can root it manually by flashing Magisk Manager. So these all are the pre-installed apps, guys, except this one. This is how I installed only Magisk Manager, guys. And here fingerprint, face unlock, everything works fine here. So let me show you. So this is, as you can see, let me show you again. And there is no any face unlock for this ROM. And let me show you whether pattern lock works or not. So pattern lock is also working. There is no any issue regarding this. So let me unlock again. So this is, as you can see, guys, everything works fine here. There is no any issue at all. Link is given in description below. If you have any doubts or anything else, you can comment me in comment section below, and I will try to answer your questions definitely. If you like this video, then you can like, otherwise you can dislike, and let me know in comment section what problems in there in video, so that I can improve them. And thanks for watching the video, guys.